Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we need to simplify by s. This one I can change into s to the power of negative number 3. The integration of this one, we have s to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1, and I will put about c. About this one, we have negative number 2, and this is the final answer. The next one, 2s multiplied by 17 and 5s. Now we apply the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n ds, we have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we got the final answer in here. 34 divided by 2, we have 17. And this is the final answer. Question number 3. We have the formula in here. The integration of a to the power of s ds, we have a to the power of s over ln a, and we put about c. And this one, we have 2 to the power of s over ln number 2, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.